All right, so let's talk about something that's probably bugged a lot of you. You've got a perfectly good PC, it runs great, but Microsoft tells you it just can't handle Windows 11. It's a huge frustration for sure. Well, today we're going to break down the most popular way to get around that.
So you're all set to upgrade, you're excited for the new look, the new features, and then you go to install it, and bam, you hit a wall. A very specific and very annoying digital wall that looks a little something like this. Ah, there it is. The message that stopped so many people in their tracks. This PC can't run Windows 11. We're going to call this the Windows 11 wall. It feels like this arbitrary barrier that's blocking perfectly capable computers from getting the latest and greatest. But what if I told you there's a really popular way to just walk right around it?
Okay, so before we figure out how to get past this wall, we kind of need to understand why it's even there. Microsoft didn't just build it for fun. They see it more like a velvet rope at an exclusive club. It's all about security, and they only want to let in machines that have certain modern security features.
Now, looking at this list, a lot of it is pretty standard stuff. But the two big ones, the real gatekeepers here, are Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. So what are they? Well, think of Secure Boot as a digital bouncer. It checks the ID of any software that tries to load when your PC starts up and blocks anything shady. And TPM 2.0, that's like a tiny, super secure vault built right into your computer that protects really sensitive stuff like your encryption keys. For Microsoft, these aren't just nice-to-haves. They're the bedrock of a more secure system.
So what do you do if your PC is missing one of those bouncers? Well, that's where our solution comes in. We're going to focus on the most popular, most straightforward workaround out there, the Rufus method. You can think of Rufus as the master key that lets you sneak past those security checkpoints during the installation.
So what exactly is Rufus? It's this awesome, free little program that's been around forever. Its main job is to create bootable USB drives. It's a super trusted tool in the tech world, and the best part for us is that its developers recently added some very specific options to get around the exact Windows 11 barriers we're talking about.
Okay, let's walk through this. And trust me, it's surprisingly simple. First, you need to grab two things: the Rufus program itself and the official Windows 11 installation file. It's called an ISO file, which you can get right from Microsoft's website. You'll also need a USB drive, at least 16 gigs. Got all that? Great. Now, open Rufus, pick your USB drive from the list, and then click that big Select button to find the Windows 11 ISO you downloaded. Now here comes the magic. When you click Start, a new little window is going to pop up. And this is the whole trick. You just check the box that says Remove requirement for 4GB plus RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0. That's it. You can even add other nice things like creating a local account instead of being forced into a Microsoft one. Click OK, let it do its thing for a few minutes, and you're done.
And just like that, you've created a key, a bootable USB drive that can install Windows 11 on a machine that was just told it wasn't good enough. But unlocking the door is one thing. What's it actually like to live on the other side? Because getting past that velvet rope does come with a price of admission. When you bypass the official requirements, you're choosing to run in an unsupported state, and it is absolutely critical that you understand the trade-offs.
Look, don't just take my word for it. This is Microsoft's official warning, and it's not something you should just gloss over. They're making it crystal clear. If you do this, you're on your own. No official support, no guarantee of getting future updates, and if something goes wrong because of this, your warranty won't cover it.
So let's just lay it all out. The pros are obvious, right? You get to use the latest, coolest OS on your current computer, you extend its life, you save some money. But the cons, they are significant. That no guarantee of future updates part is a big deal, because it could leave you open to security threats down the road. You also might run into weird system glitches or instability, and some specific apps or games that actually require those security features, like the super popular shooter Valorant, they might just refuse to run at all.
Which brings us to the final verdict here. Using the Rufus method is absolutely a calculated risk. It's not really a question of can you do it. We've seen how easy that part is. The real question is, should you?
And that's really the heart of this whole thing. A tool like Rufus makes the how incredibly easy. It takes away the technical barrier. But the responsibility for the if, the decision to go forward knowing all the potential risks, that lands squarely on your shoulders.
So I'll leave you with this question to think about. For your own machine, what do you value more? The convenience of running a modern operating system right now, or the long-term peace of mind that comes with official support and security down the road? The choice is yours.